Today we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Subaru Crosstrek. To replace the wiper blades, extend the arm out, pull out on the clip, and pull the blade down. Now simply remove the blade. Don't let the arm snap back down as it can break the windshield. Before installing the new wiper blade, make sure you remove the sheath. Installing the new wiper blade is as simple as pressing it in. The process for the other side is the same as that one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.